Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Multivan Life. This vehicle comes fitted with a 1.4 petrol eHybrid engine pushing out 218 PS. The Multivan also comes with a 6-speed DSG Automatic gearbox. This Multivan is finished in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey and features a few interesting features. Across the front of the vehicle, it comes with LED headlights with separate LED daytime running lights. The Multivan also features front parking sensors, and down below the vehicle sits on the 16-inch Sycris alloy wheels, which come finished in a silver colour. To the rear of the vehicle, the Multivan comes fitted with a tailgate with a handsome rear roof spoiler. Located just above the rear number plate is a rear view camera system. This, working with the rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper, helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Taking a look into the boot or load area space of the Multivan, there is a sizable amount of storage which can be increased by pushing the rear seats forward. The van also comes with a parcel shelf. Taking a look at the inside seating area, all the seats in the vehicle are finished in the Ribella cloth upholstery, finished in a two-tone colour combination of raven and black. There is a foldable table in the middle with retracting tables, and moving up front to the front cab area, there are two single seats, both with two armrests apiece. The Multivan also comes with some interesting creature comforts such as two front heated seats. There is also a wireless QI charger as well as some drinks holders up front. The van also comes with a 10-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system, which includes navigation including the 3D Maps software. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.